So the first thing you want to do is pull these brushes out. If you look right here, you can grab these metal bands, pull up on them, and then pull that straight up. So pull all 4 brushes out. That's where you start. You got to get this end here off. And should be able to just tap it right off. Let me mark this end too, though. So let's tap this end off. Don't look too bad in there. Looks like the field windings are okay. They're not rubbing. Need to get this apart so we can get this out of here. We'll take some sandpaper to this, clean this all up, clean this. The commutator don't look bad though. I'm going to mark that down here, 2 shims. 2 shims on the power end, so we don't forget that. Looks like we got to take these flatheads out here. I'm going to mark that too. There we go. Woo. Pretty dirty in there. That might have been half the problem. I have to clean that out good. I think what happened here is just dirty. Might just have to clean this up good. Spring looks good. It's not broke. I'm not sure why that's not going back in. So let's pull it apart. So what you got here is like a C-clip right here. You just pop those out. That's all that is. It just sits in a recess. Holds that together. Pulling this apart, be careful because there's springs and caps. A little grease in the end of here. Now what I found was it had some burrs on it, so maybe that's what was hanging it up. I'm not sure. I guess we're gonna find out. All right. Make sure there's nothing on it. Put the shims back on the end. The line back up. We'll see if the bolts go back in. Okay. Now we got to put these brushes back in. And again, you can see it there. Just pull up on the metal band and dip these right back in there. Just like that. And put that band right in the middle of them wires. We'll get them all put back in and I'll go around and make sure we're not touching anywhere. I think we can see it there. Yep, now it retracts. And kicking it out, that should kick, it should start it, and then it should kick itself back in. Hopefully. Alright, well, we got the starter back in, got all the wires hooked back up. So I guess there's nothing left to do but give it a try and see if it works. Alright, get this on the solenoid here. Go up here on this end. Yeah. Here goes nothing.